Hi everybody, my name is Shailla and I am the creator of CoolWorldStuff. Now you must be wondering, what is CoolWorldStuff? Well, I created CoolWorldStuff to share all the cool stuff from around the world with all of you in your homes around the world. Why? I love traveling, and everybody I know love traveling. I haven't met anyone who doesn't like traveling. Have you? I don't know anyone who doesn't like traveling. And every time before I go somewhere, I get very curious to find out more about that place, what it looks like, what it feels like, what people wearing, what is the weather like, what it's like walking around, how you get around. And that's why I love making these videos. Mostly I really like making videos of point of view to make you watching the video really feel like you are inside the video, inside that place, to really if I completely feel and all the sensations that you were there, see what like the surroundings are like, and to really see yourself in a place and to give you an idea. So I really want to visit this place. Oh no, I don't want to visit this place, and if you're already planning, so you give you an idea. I have times, even like for example traveling, I was going to the snow for the first time. I was curious about what kind of shoes people wear, so I started to go on Instagram to find out the shoes that people wear in the snow, so I could buy the appropriate shoes so I wouldn't fall with my butt on the ground. And so with stuff like that, when you really see the place, you get an idea, even like what to pack when you're traveling, what you're going to need, so you don't take too much or too less, and yeah, so that's why I'm very passionate about doing these, and it's lots of fun. I love to share the fun and to share all the insights about these places with everybody, and I'm looking forward to hearing all your comments, and what you think like, and you can ask the places that you want to see. Of course, I make these videos during the schedule, whatever I'm going. Of course, I want to see the whole world, and I don't know how long that would take, but yeah, share in the comments your thoughts. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe, and also like, share with your friends, share the love, share the world love. I think the more love in the world, the better. It's never too much love. I'm all about sharing love and good energy. I think that if we all share really good energy and love one another, just be kind, the world will always we just get better and better, because it just is energy is contagious. So the more good energy we share, the more comes back, and it just runs around, and it's a beautiful thing. That's why I love making these videos full of love for all of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao. Hi again. I just remember including all the cool world stuff. You probably noticed lots of videos of pets. Yes, I love pets. So between world and these and that, you're going to have some bonus of lots of cute pets. I can't resist. For all of you who know me, I'm also an actress and a filmmaker and a writer. So that's what I do. I make films, and I just love creating beautiful things. So be ready to watch a lot of beautiful things. Thank you. Ciao.